Hello everyone and welcome to my series of videos on mini projects in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video, we'll be exploring different mini projects that you can undertake to learn and improve your skills in Business Central. These projects are designed to be manageable in scope and complexity, making them perfect for students, professionals, and anyone looking to expand their knowledge of Business Central. So, in complete series, initially I'll be giving you the mini projects ideas where you can implement, try, and work it out. And if you have any doubts in between while implementing that, you can leave that in the comments so that I can help you and I can show you how to develop that mini project. So each video will focus on specific project and we will cover the objectives, business central objects to use, fields to create in each object, validations to perform, types of reports to use, and where the project can be implemented. We'll also discuss best practices, tips and tricks, and potential challenges you may encounter when undertaking these projects. By the end of the series, you will have a solid understanding of how to use Business Central to manage various aspects of your business. Whether you are a beginner looking to get started with Business Central or an experienced user looking to expand your skill, these mini projects are a great way to learn and improve your abilities in a hands on practical way. So, join me each week as we dive into a new mini project in Business Central. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And as always, feel free to leave your comments, questions, and feedbacks in the comment sections below. So let us start with the first mini project idea, which is customer data management project in Business Central Dynamics 365. So this customer data management project involves creating a system to manage customer data within Business Central. So the objective of this project involves creating a system to manage customer data within Business Central. The objective of this project is to provide a centralized location for storing and updating customer information, which can be used by other modules within Business Central, such as sales and marketing. To start this project, we will need to create a several busy objects, including pages, tables, and the coordinates. So we'll be creating a new table to store customer information. We will be implementing validation rules to ensure data accuracy and consistency. We'll create a new page to display and edit customer data and filters and actions to improve usability. So I'll tell you what are the objects to create. So we'll be creating a table which is a customer and customer address table. So what we'll be covering is what we'll cover. What are the pages we have to include, or the tables we have to include, or the code unit. Okay, these are my understanding for a beginner level to intermediate level. If you wanted to add some more table, or if you feel like you wanted to add some more data or objects into it, please do that. Okay, and also leave that in the comment so that we can everyone will be get benefited out of it, and we will also understand what you think about this particular project. So first one is I'll be creating the a table which is a customer table and customer address, okay, to store the customer and customer address. So the next one I'll be creating is the pages where I can see the customer list, customer card, customer statistics. Okay, and I'll be creating the code unit where I'll be writing the logic for the customer management and customer validation logics. And I'll create a query to view customers with high credit limits to view customers with the overdue payments. Okay, finally I'll create a report, customer list report and credit limit report. So these are the objects which I am planning to create, because for every business central project we need a table and pages. Apart from that, writing the logic inside the page or a table, or writing the logic in the code unit, or in the procedure, it depends on your idea and your views. So as I told, we'll also talk about the tips and tricks and how you can implement it in an efficient way. Everything we will discuss when we implement the project. So I'll also tell you what are the fields we can create. As of now, I have limited to this fields. Okay, this is the sample fields. If you want to add some more fields into it, you can definitely add it. If you wanted to just try with these fields. You can try. So I'll be adding name, address, contact information, credit limit, payment terms, and discount terms. This is a generic field which I have given. Okay, so fields that can be created in the customer table and the customer address, that is what I have added completely. Okay, so you can just expand it. You can use your innovation, and you can use your thinking, like a name one, that is your first name, last name, middle name, address. You can just split the address into the door number, everything. Okay, so it's all about your creativity. The next one is the validation. So what are the validation which I'm planning to do is what, ensure that the customer name and the address fields are mandatory. Validate the format of the contact details field, example phone number or an email. Ensure that the credit limit field is greater than zero, because the credit limit field should be greater than zero. Checking for duplicate customers, ensuring that all required fields are filled in before saving customer data. It is all the mandatory fields. Okay, enforcing credit limit and payment term policies. So these are all the basic idea which I have. Okay, even while I am implementing the code, I may come up with some more ideas in order to make it better. So you can also think about it. So what to do next? So you can plan extra fields to add, validations to do. You can add or plan the report layout format, because as we discussed about the report, so the reports maybe, like you can just go ahead with the RDL or Word or Excel, what type of report you want. Okay, so you can just go ahead with that. And then you can also think about what are the types of queries you wanted to use that in the report. Okay, so in order to finalize, okay, that is to conclude, in this project we will be involving majorly like five objects: pages, tables, coordinates, reports, and queries. Okay, and fields I have showed, the validations also I have discussed, like it's a checking for duplicate customers. So I'll be checking for the duplicate customers here. I'll ensure that all the required fields are filled in, and also enforce the credit limit. And the reports which I'll create is was customer list report and customer statistics report here. Okay, and in the query I'll be using to that is the query I'll be using to view the customers with overdue payment, and query to view customers with the high credit limit. Okay, so apart from this, whatever the idea you have, okay, so you can add it. Okay, apply your innovation, apply your creativity. And if you wanted to add more actions, because don't think like I haven't talked about the action. Okay, you can add the actions to it. Like you can add an you can create an automation like Power Automate. You can use Power Automate to it. Okay, so all the other aspects are your creativity and innovations, like what are the things which you have wanted to bring in. If you are a beginner level of beginner to business central, then don't worry about extra things. Just go ahead with whatever we have discussed here. Just try to create these objects and try to implement it. If you are intermediate level, then try to add some more thing, like try to add the procedures, try to call the procedure, try to add the action, try to create a Power Automate automation something inside it, so that you can try. If you're on advanced level, then please leave your comment in the comment section, like what are the things which the beginner and intermediate level can do, can think in this particular mini project. So throughout this web series, okay, anyhow I'll be posting the regular tutorial for business central, that is a separate track. And this is a video mini that is mini project ideas which I'll be posting it in a separate track. So both the thing will not be interrelated. Okay, because I have, since I have published the mini project, so I will not go with the tutorial. No, okay, so both the videos you will be getting it. So this mini project, okay, overall the customer data management project is an important project for any organization that wants to manage customer data in a centralized manner. It can help improve sales and marketing efforts by providing accurate and up to date customer information, as well as help with credit and payment management. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box. Okay, and please leave your thoughts so that if anyone is learning new, they will also have some discussion and they will also have some understanding about what you have shared it. And if you have any thing like no Gomati, you have to add this also in the project, no, this cannot be added in the project, so this is not possible, please tell me that as well, because that I can remove, or I can tell you why I have add this. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye bye.